Need a physical copy of a Teams conversation for work, records, or reference? I'll show you exactly how to print a chat from Microsoft Teams in just a few minutes. First, open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the chat you want to print. Click on it so the full conversation appears in the chat window. Next, highlight the part of the conversation you want to print. Click at the start of the message, hold down your mouse and drag to the end of the chat. Right-click the highlighted text and select Copy, or use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now open your preferred word processor, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Notepad, or any text editor will work. In a blank document, click inside and paste the chat using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Once the conversation is in your document, review it. You can adjust the font, spacing, or remove anything you don't want to print. When you're ready, go to File, then Print in your word processor. Select your printer and hit Print. Make sure your printer has paper and is turned on. And that's it. Your Microsoft Teams chat is now in printed form, ready to use whenever you need it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use this guide. For more quick Microsoft Teams tutorials, make sure you're subscribed.